Tidy up the toys, put them away. Books on the shelf where they can stay. Look around your room, make it clean and bright. Helping out at home feels just right. Helping hands, oh what fun. Working together, getting things done. Helping hands, let's all say we're helping out in every way. Organize your schoolwork, keep it neat. A special spot for papers can't be beat. Make your bed each morning, oh so fine. Fluff the pillows and everything will shine. Helping hands, oh what fun. Working together, getting things done. Helping hands, let's all say we're helping out in every way. Set the table, plates and forks in a row. Pour the water, it's a job you know. Feed the pets, walk the dog down the lane. They'll be so happy, tails wagging again. Water the plants, give them a drink. Trash in the bin, make the house not stink. Laundry in the washer, fold it with care. Cleaning up shows love everywhere. Helping hands, oh what fun. Working together, getting things done. Helping hands, let's all say we're helping out in every way. Vacuum, sweep the floor, dust the shelves, clean some more. Make your breakfast, pack your lunch. Helping your family is a happy bunch. Ask your mom, what else can I do? She'll smile and say, I'm so proud of you. Helping hands make the world so bright. Let's all lend a hand morning, noon, and night. Helping hands, oh